learn Two of Us. It's choreographed by Tara Bianco and Mackenzie Keister. It is a 16 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Two of Us. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to take your right toe, you're going to point it forward. Point your right toe to the right side, and then you're going to point your right toe back. You're going to step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to do a left starting V step. Step your left foot out into the left diagonal, step your right foot out, step your left foot back center, and step your right foot next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. Let's try it with some counts. Pointing forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 in our final section of the dance. You're going to scuff your left heel forward. You're going to step your left foot to the left side. You're now going to scuff your right heel forward and step your right foot to the right side. At this point, your feet are about shoulder width apart. We're going to do a small squat down, and then we're going to jump and put our feet together. Weight's going to be on your left foot. You're now going to do 2 1/8 turn by touching your right toe to the right side. So we're going to turn over our left shoulder, make an 1/8 of a turn, touching your right toe to the right side. You're now facing 10-30. You're going to make another 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, touching your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then you would start the dance all over again with your point forward. Let's try it with some counts. We would have just finished our V step. Weights on your right foot. You're doing your scuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your point forward, point side, point back, step together, V step out, out, in, scuff, step, squat, hop together, and then your paddle, paddle, paddle. And you'll be facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left. You're pointing your right toe forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your point. Point forward, point side, point back, step together, V step out, out, in, scuff, step, bend, hop, paddle, paddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, forward, side, back, together. V step, scuff, step, bend, hop together, paddle, paddle. Point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now you can add as much fun into this as you want. I know Tara, when she dances it, she kind of pushes her legs out and then comes in when she does that. So that's something that you can add into. On a few of the walls, it talks about putting your straw in your drink. Feel free to raise a glass or a pretend glass. And you can have a lot of fun with your friends. There's some parts about your butt, and you can slap your hip if you would like. Add whatever you would like into this dance. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, scroll to the end of this video and do it with the rear-facing demo so that you can go out and rock this dance on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Two of Us. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.